Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a slider in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and create a new artboard. Begin by drawing a long, thin rectangle to serve as your slider track. Next, add a small circle or square shape to act as the slider's movable thumb. Position this thumb at one end of your track. Finally, select both the track and the thumb, then group them together. This grouping makes it much easier to manage your slider components as you build out its functionality. Now, let's make our slider interactive. Select your grouped slider and convert it into a component. This is crucial for adding different states. With the component selected, look in the Properties Inspector and click the plus icon to add a new state. Name this new state something like Active or Engaged. In this new state, simply drag the slider thumb to its desired end position on the track. This defines the visual change when the slider is moved. With our states defined, it's time to prototype the movement. Switch to prototype mode. Select the slider thumb in the default state. Drag a wire from the thumb to the active state. For the interaction, choose drag as the trigger. Then, select Auto Animate as the action. This tells Adobe XD to smoothly transition the thumb's position between the two states when a user drags it. You can also set the easing and duration for a more refined feel. Finally, let's refine and test our slider. Click the play button in the top right corner to open the preview window. Drag your slider thumb to ensure it moves smoothly between the two states. If the movement isn't quite right, go back to design mode and adjust the thumb's size or the track's length. You might also consider adding text labels next to the slider to display its current value, enhancing user feedback. Experiment with different designs to achieve your desired look and feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.